Welcome to Jualit Barista School, how to choose the right coffee beans. I'm Christina, head of coffee at Jualit, and I'm going to talk you through the basics of choosing the right beans. Firstly, there are two main types of coffee beans to choose from, Arabica and Robusta. Arabica coffee beans tend to be bigger of the two, and they are larger in size with the curvy line going through. Roasted Arabica coffee has a smooth, sweet taste with hints of fruit and berries. They are great for single origin specialty coffee. Robusta beans tend to be slightly smaller and have a straight line in the middle. Roasted Robusta beans have a harsher, bitter taste and have a somewhere earthy finish. They also have a grainy and rubber overtones. These are great for blends and instant coffee. At Jualit, we aim to buy the best quality beans like Vietnamese Robusta, Kenyan Arabica, Ethiopian Arabica, and many more. Not only do we do single origin coffees, but we also blend our own. Every bean has a specific characteristics, and in order to achieve the desired flavor, we mix various origins to make a house blend, like our Americano or intense coffee. To find your favorite coffee to drink at home, I would recommend you start with single origins and then explore house blends. You wouldn't do this at home, but at Jualit we have automatic coffee roasters. This means that each cycle of roasted coffee will come out the same. We also nitrogen flush the coffee to keep it fresher for longer. This isn't something all coffee roasters do. Next, let's talk about how roast affects extraction and flavor. Lighter roast holds all characteristics of the coffee, but the taste itself might seem weaker than that of a darker roast. Despite popular belief, this doesn't mean that the caffeine in the coffee is lower. It is actually higher. Darker roast coffee tends to hide those fruity and sweet characteristics and gives off more nutty and chocolatey taste. Lighter roast extracts faster than the darker roast. It all depends on how well bean absorbs water. That is why when you grind your lighter coffee beans at home, you want to go finer to let the coffee brew longer. Darker roast tends to absorb the water better, so you don't need to grind it fine as light roast, as it will slow down your extraction time and it does not taste good in slower brewing process. Lastly, let's talk about some of the origins and their characteristics. Here's a few examples of my favorite beans. Ethiopian coffee has a citrusy, floral, and tropical fruit notes. It is perfect for iced coffee in a hot summer day or consumed black. Colombian coffee has a sweet, fruity, and chocolate notes, and it is perfect for latte or cappuccino drink. Kenyan coffee has a berry fruit qualities and sweetness and intense acidity, and it is perfect for pour over or French press. My go-to drink is iced Ethiopian coffee. It took me years to find my favorite blend, so take your time to find yours.